open my IPSY box with me. They sent me this little note. It says the Great Escape. Pack your makeup bags because this month we're going on one way to get to dewy skin, glossy hair, and so much color. Whether you're planning a summer vacation or a much needed mental escape. This is what we got. This is what she looks like. So first we're gonna go with this package. And what's in here? A little baggie. Okay, there's a couple things in here, so I'm just gonna pull them out one by one. Okay, this is Keys Soul Care Golden Cleanser. We got a brush from Toy Factory. Here is the blending brush. This is B9. We got a TFB brow gel. This is Trust from Beauty. We got a lip butter, liquid kohl, and liner. Okay, now we're gonna go in this one. It is the Refreshments Dazzling 5-Blade Razor Kit. And they gave me the Pillowy Shave Cream. And then we have this box. Natasha Denona Fez palette. This is a 5-shade eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna open up and show. Okay, here it is. This is what it looks like. This is the Sweet Dream Candy Escape. This is in the shade Calm. A Sweet Dreams Golden Eye Mask. A Verb Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar. A Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. And yeah, that is everything I got. I highly recommend IPSY, especially if you're just starting makeup. It helps you get a bunch of different things, and you can try what you want till you find something that you actually really like. So thank you so much, IPSY.